Bangkok, a city of over 11 million people and capital of the Kingdom of Thailand. The country is also home to over 10 million overseas Chinese, feeding one of the largest Chinatowns in the world. This historic district is teeming with markets, street food stalls, and centuries-old recipes. We are heading to Chinatown tonight. Lindsay's got us scheduled for a food tour in Chinatown. We're actually going to go to the MRT, which is the metro, the underground subway. And this will be our first time ever riding that in Bangkok. We usually only ever take the SkyTrain because there's a SkyTrain station right out in front of our building. So I think it's just a couple stops, maybe like 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, and we'll be there. So let's go see if we can figure out how this works. We just got 5 tokens, 21 baht each. I think the kids might have been cheaper, but we'd have to go to the counter, so we didn't do that. Let's go get on. Thank you. We are through, and now we are descending into the depths of the subway. 3 stops, and we'll be there. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, got everyone? Okay.
Ooh.
I know. We got 3, right? Okay, we're here.
We are going to Chinatown and going to do a 2-hour food walking tour.
We're going to find exit 3, and we will get out of here. It's pretty easy, right?
Yep.
Yep.
You ready to eat some yummy food? Me too. Shrimp dumplings. That's really good.
That is so good. So we're at this place, first stop on this tour, and it's the shrimp dumplings. They actually, it's a Michelin restaurant, and they're so good. The shrimp is like so flavorful. It's got like a black pepper in it, and they put a black vinegar on it and garlic chips. Oh, so good, so good.
To the curry.
Yeah.
Yum, curry and rice on top.
Okay. So these are 2 temples here. That one there is in the style of Thai, and then the one over here on the left is more of a Chinese style temple. It's a pretty night, and the breeze is starting to come in. It feels so good. Oh man, I can't wait to eat some more food.
One Harper? Yeah.
Chicken, right?
Yeah, 2 chicken.
You guys only chicken.
Moo cow. It's like pork on a stick. And I like that.
Curry. They have green curry chicken.
Green curry. You wanna try that? Yep. So this is the green curry with chicken and rice. It smells really good. Looks a little bit like baby food or baby poop, but the chicken is super tender. It's got quite a bit of spice on it though. You wanna try?
Shark fin.
Oh.
Yeah, dry shark fin. They're gonna keep to the water, become a soft, and then they clean the black color out. And after that, become as to make a soup. Many kinds.
Not cookies.
And moon cake.
Okay, one of the salted
I think
What did you get?
salted
Salted. Good?
It is pretty good.
Good.
It's yummy.
the one inside. They're gonna have a custard of the color is green. It's made from pandan leaf and coconut milk.
Okay, so we are at this dessert place. It's called Patongo Savoy, and it's like this deep fried something. I'm not sure what it is yet. So we got some, and they'll be here in just a minute.
You love it. So good. Delicious. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll try that one.
Tea is meant to drink when they getting hot. When they getting warm, they didn't help nothing.
we just did a tea thing, and Lindsay picked it out. They didn't even charge us for it, but we'll put it down the link.
Fit or shark fin soup. This is a shark fin.
Oh, shark fin.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
It's a private.
All right, getting the girls some pancakes with Nutella.
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna get pancakes and we're gonna get Nutella on them.
So we're continuing our journey through Chinatown, stopping at some Honey Bear pancakes. And now we're walking through like this really busy area. It's all street food markets and stalls and things like that. There's pretty much everything you could imagine. And it's all lit up, it looks cool.
Should I try one, Linds?
This is a bamboo worms. Bamboo. They eat the bamboo inside of the bamboo. This is silk worm.
You gonna try one?
Okay. What do you want to try? Grasshopper? Okay, ready? Huh. We're good. Yeah. It's good. You want one?
Put it
No.
back. Yeah, we don't need to. You touched it. Try. She's gonna leave you if you don't eat it. We're gonna eat it.
Cora's gonna try one.
Now you
How was it?
forever together.
You like it?
What did you eat, Cora? Which one?
She ate a grasshopper.
You ate a grasshopper?
Shove it in her mouth.
High five.
You want to try one, Cora? For Harper? Okay. Okay, starting to rain. Let's do it. Okay, and that is the culmination of our Chinatown food tour. Finished with eating a grasshopper. And it started raining on us, but it just stopped, so we're gonna go try and find a tuk-tuk now. And our guide, Belle, is gonna help negotiate the price down for us. And what home. Good night.
Bye.
Oh, over here.
Bye.
Bye, Whitney. And very appreciate to take care of your family. Please do something for me.
Okay.
I will appreciate that.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we got a tuk-tuk. And it's got the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man on it. Oh, there's another one right there. Was that fun, girls? Yeah, that's good. Okay, we are back at Trinity Complex. That is a fun, fast tuk-tuk ride home. Now we need to go clean the apartment because they're coming to clean tomorrow. We clean before they clean because that's what you do, right? And then tomorrow I think we're gonna go try and see the Barbie movie. Yeah, the girls have been wanting to see that for a while. Look at that big cockroach.
That was fun. Go check out Chinatown in Bangkok. See y'all later.
Like this button.
Comment down below.
Like this button. Bye. Bye. I ate up a grasshopper.
I'm not believing that either.